Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. If you watched my previous video, you know what I'm doing now. In this video, you see I replicated some colors, some patches on both the side by connecting them, by joining them while they were wet, not dried. And then I used brush. But before using brush, I'm working with fingers to give a desired touch up for this painting, and then joined it to replicate colors and patches on both the sides. But patches of this kind are not recorded in this painting. This abstract painting will be a little similar to that one, the previous. If you still not watched my previous video, please subscribe my channel and watch the previous video that I posted on Thursday by the Indian time in days. Okay, so in the previous video I did not shared how the next one on the next canvas I did the work. So that is I'm showing now. So I posed up this canvas, and I have a small time to work on both the canvas, because if the colors dry, my desired artwork will not be happen. So I have to do this fast, because this is just a first layer of this painting, but very important. So but I enjoyed this painting actually, because the bright and lovely colors in this painting. And uh, uh, what are you expecting, and what are you feeling while you are watching this painting and these colors? So please write your comments, your thoughts about these colors. And remember, these colors are not originally the perfect painting. After completing this painting, you will not able to see all these colors, because a layer over it is required to draw. And in that layer, after that layer, I will make textures also. Okay, so uh, I have done. And now on the next day, this layer was dried and ready to paint over it. And I used yellow plus white color, and these acrylic paints are sufficient to paint. And this yellow is ochre yellow actually. So and in the previous video I told you, this is my experiment about the contrast. As you see, the light color is layered over the dark colors, the dark layers. And before these paintings, uh, I was doing um, dark colors over light colors, like on the gold colors, black colors on the gold color. So it was an experiment, and this experiment is very lovely, because the softness of these textures and mixing and merging with the background color, and still giving a 3D view or depth in that painting. So that is the thing that I love in this painting. So let me start the texturing. For the texturing, I used that kitchen knife. And as you know how I do, so I don't want to bore you. I am forwarding with the speed. But you can see, if you are an artist or art lover, you should watch full video. Uh, while I make the textures, I do not try to make the same strokes everywhere, because I believe in freedom, and in art there should be a big freedom to make what and how you want to paint over canvas. because this is your platform where you will explore your inner side. So finally this is done, and please comment, like and share how are you feeling about this painting, this abstract art, this abstract painting with acrylic paints on a small canvas. If you are really liking it, please comment. Okay, bye, thanks to watching.